Vihaan's Lego Diaries. You've seen me before, haven't you? If you haven't, just search up Vihaan's Lego Diaries and I'll pop up in a click. Today we'll be building set 42072, a green racing pullback car. I'm very eager to build, so I think we should start now. Yay! Here is my vac, all ready. I guess that you all know what a pullback car does. You just pull it and you let it zoom. I finished building the vac. I feel like in my next build, why don't we put a vac and a bash together to make a new car? Well, if you want to see that, you better keep following, sharing and subscribing to Vihaan's Lego Diaries. See you all in my next video.